Paczki King.
Brought the idea to our company. It's really Tristan. Where's Tristan? Is she there? Tristan, who is our bakery coffee specialist, and Kathy Doherty over here. And Kathy is our senior bakery manager. They're the ones that really made it happen getting the product. And Ilga is the one that did the event. And so what we want to do is have some fun, eat some punchki, and see which store is going to be the winner.